How to archive a collaboration post on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to hide a collab post from your profile on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile. From there, find the collaboration post you want to archive and tap on it to open it. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post to open the options menu. In the next step, tap on Archive from the list of options. Following this, the post will be immediately removed from your profile grid and moved to your archive. Finally, keep in mind that archiving a collab post only removes it from your profile. It may still remain visible on your collaborator's profile since they are also an owner of the post. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you archive your collaboration post, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.